Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to erase background on Canva website. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps and watch the video to the end. First step is to go to your Canva website. After that, you will need to start your project or you need just to search for the project or the images that you want the background to be erased. So I'm just going to create a new design. I'm going to create just a presentation here. So now we have this design here, and basically we need just to erase the background, for example, of this image. And so let's just have this image here, and let's paste it here. And we want to delete the background or erase the background of this image. All you need to do is to go to these apps, and here we can find a variety of apps of Canva. So all you need to do is to search for background eraser, and here you will find many applications. All we want is this background eraser. You click on it, and then it will be added on your navigation bar. After that, all you need to do is to choose your file. So basically, you will need be needing to upload the file or the image that you want to erase its background. So I'm going to choose the image that I have shown you. So as you can see, it has its background here. I'm going to open it. You click on remove background. I'm going just to wait until the image finished processing. And as you can see, we have our image that have or we have our background that has been erased in a good quality or in a good manner. And now you can start using this image. You can uh, save it as follow. You can start animating it. You can just have any animations or any modifications that you want to do to this picture. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.